Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video I'm linking up with my boys LOB and Ocean. We've got the full day booked in the studio in Leeds and we haven't got any major plans for it. I think we're just going to cook up as many beats as possible and I'm sure it'll be a vibe, so let's get into it. So I've just arrived in Leeds, just pulled up at the studio. Perfect timing as well because LLB's just arrived too. I think he's right here actually. Can see him walking, vlogging.
What is it?
Yes. What's good, man?
How's it going, man?
I'm alright. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. All good. All good. What's going on, Pete?
Alright, so we just got in the studio. I'm just with LLB for now. I think Ocean's going to be arriving in a few hours, so I think for now we're just going to start cooking up some beats. Alright, so the first beat that we're going to be working on is a melodic guitar drill beat. LLB is going to do the melody and then I'm going to pat in the drums. So this beat is actually for a placement. It's a female artist that I'm working with. She's a sick rapper, she can sing, and we've actually got a version of her track, but we need to redo the beat. So we've got the a cappella, we're just going to work around that and see what we can come up with. Playing a real guitar, like obviously the notes are usually played like straight after each other, aren't they?
Yeah.
But you know, like on here, like say you've layered the C with an A.
Yeah.
Is that possible to play like on a real guitar? Can you play two notes like that?
No, what you do is you play this bit first, like dun dun dun, dun, and then you just go over the top of it. So
okay, so you do it in different layers.
Yeah, what I'll do is I'll do that to begin with, but I'll just take it out because I think this has got like a little algorithm in the VST, so like it won't let you play certain strings at the same time because obviously it's like impossible.
To keep it real.
Yeah, I try and now that I can play now I do like a little bit, I'll try and keep it similar, you know, as realistic as I can. Which is so nice.
Yeah. What kind of vocal are you hearing on this? Like, just something really like washed out where you can not even like tell it's vocal. Kind of like what you'd hear on a Drake track, you know, just something like really like vibey, ambient, washed out.
Probably distant
so we could
voices.
Try distant voices and then we'll just filter it out and I'll sample it maybe.
Down sample it as well.
Yeah. Just took me a trip to money, where the booth full of flake out. Should've went M6 way, cause the sat-nav took me sneak past.
I think one more thing, and then that's to finish it off, is like some dead quiet, just percussive loop, just dead quiet.
Yeah.
Like, almost to the point where you can't hear it. Time for you to take over.
Alright, so the melody sound is sick so far. I'll just give you a quick preview. The artist that's spitting is Diana Drill. I've produced quite a few tracks for her. We've got some bangers dropping soon, and this is a quick preview.
These man talk was, they never took no trips to money. Picked up a pack of white and half a key of Ame.
And then we've got the counter melody, and we've just washed out some vocals for this section here.
Just took me a trip to money, where the booth full of flake out. Should've went M6 way, cause the sat-nav took me sneak past.
Sounding crazy so far. I think we've got a guest.
We have a guest. Let's fuck the code up.
Yo.
Yeah, what's good, man?
How's it going, bro? Yeah, you doing, man? I'm all good, man.
Scarves, I could've wore plain my Maybach. I could've wore ballads, I could've wore scarves, I could've wore plain my I got these respirators on now, cause these bitches sleep trap. It's ironic my brother got bagged up driving a boat with A-class. Brother got an M on his car right now and it ain't no sleep trap. On his car right now and it ain't on his car right now and it ain't no Maybach. Respirators on now, cause these bitches sleep trap. Respirators on now, cause these bitches sleep trap. Respirators on now, cause these bitches sleep trap. It's ironic my brother got bagged up driving a boat. It's ironic my sleep trap. It's ironic sleep trap. It's sleep trap. It's ironic my sleep trap. It's ironic my brother got bagged up driving a boat. Sleep trap. It's ironic my
J Cactus.
I guess so, yeah.
On my shoulder, started to change when I see the world getting colder.
Did you find it hard to keep a simple hi-hat pattern? Because sometimes you think you just do stuff just because you think you should, like. When you add a hi-hat pattern, it's like, I need to do something.
Started to change when I see the
That's
world
cool
getting
enough.
colder.
Yeah, especially for like up-tempo beats, like you know, like the Trippie Red song, like Mr. Rage. That's just like, or maybe it's got like a couple of double hits.
Yeah, yeah. I'm feeling clap for this. What? Do you guys think?
Oh yeah, maybe a clap and a rim, like you'd switch up as the beat in the arrangement. Hey, nice.
My heart is made of gold. Wait for some problems, but I kept it all on the low. I don't know people's intentions, so I could never let them know. I know my mama did everything that she could do for me. Mama did everything that she could do for me.
Yeah, that's what.
For me. But I kept it all on the low. I don't know people's intentions, so I could never let them know. I know my mama, even my heart is made of gold. Went through some problems, but I kept it all on the low. I don't know people's intentions, so I could never let them know. Even my heart is made of gold. Went through some problems, but I kept it all on the low. I don't know people's intentions, so I could never let them know. I know my mama did everything that she could do for me. For me.
So they were doing something a bit.
What do I usually make? So trap, drill, boom bap. They're the only three that I fuck with really. Oh, we could do afro as well.
Reggaeton, yeah.
Alright, so for the next beat, we've got 7 genres in Spin the Wheel. We've got drill, afro, trap, garage, reggaeton, hyperpop, and boom bap. So some couple random ones in there, some ones that I've never produced before, but we're just gonna spin the wheel. Whichever one it lands on, we're making that.
What genre?
We'll do
would
one
you
anyway.
prefer?
See how quickly it gets.
I'm most comfortable with drill, obviously, but I won't mind cooking up some boom bap as well. So maybe one of them.
I'm
What about
hoping
you?
for hyperpop or garage.
Yeah, do you know what? I think
garage
would be interesting.
Just be trap.
Reggaeton.
Reggaeton.
Alright.
Okay, I'm cool with that.
Yeah.
I'm cool with that. Alright, and then I'll just fix it up. And
And then just take it off record.
I used to hate sparkling water, but I actually really like it now.
Since Kanye West and Lil Pump put out that song.
One button, yeah.
Oh yeah. Like
And
that.
it's the same over and over again. Nice and thin.
yeah.
Good luck.
Yeah. Do it easy, could it?
Piecing them together, yeah. You literally do it so quickly.
beat is done. Never really made a reggaeton beat before, but I think we killed it. We're about to spin the wheel, see if we can make a new genre.
Alright, let's go.
Please not. No! Alright, fair enough.
I'm alright with it. Right, we've got boom bap. Going back to how I started off making beats, so this one should be good.
That's nice.
You usually bring the lows back, the highs.
Sometimes, it just depends really on what you want.
Oh, these are sick. I've used these before. Oh, nice.
See, it just works, isn't it?
I know, it's nice. Just like real subtle.
The sax.
Yeah, just heard it.
Ooh,
As
that's
soon
a
as,
nice idea actually.
yeah, as soon as you said, I didn't think there was anything else, and then I just
Yeah,
thought, maybe this.
Sax.
Yeah, definitely.
Just have one note that's out of key all the way through.
Oh, man.
Very productive session. That's it. Peace. What do you guys think?
Terrible session.
Yeah,
Terrible.
worst session ever, man. I'm sick of these guys. I've never seen them again. Yo, so we just finished up in the studio. We made, what, 4 different genres was it? Boom bap, drill, trap, and what was the 4th one? Reggaeton. So yeah, never really made a reggaeton beat before. I think we killed them. Yeah man, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.